Hello guys, my name is Purple Rex and you're watching Movie Stuff with Purple Rex.
Cut! That's a wrap!
Now, unless you live under a rock or something, you already heard of the term method acting. So first of all, let's see what is method acting and why is it so fascinating. So traditionally, acting was limited to the stage, and because the distance between actors and audience is considerably more, theatre actors can often be seen shaking fists to show anger, jumping around to show happiness, and with extreme facial expressions, as emotions are harder to be portrayed from so far away. But when movies started being made, this kind of acting started feeling a little pretentious. Well, let me put it this way, any acting that you see that is over explosive and a tad bit over the top is called the Shakespearean method or classical acting. Although this is one of the most efficient ways of storytelling on stage, this method fails to connect with the audience on screen. So, to overcome this complex, Russian actor director Konstantin Stanislavski came up with an acting method known as the Stanislavski acting technique, which was later adapted by American filmmaker Lee Strasberg, which we now call as the method. The Strasbergian interpretation of Stanislavski teaches you to use emotional memory and vague intentions for character development, which simply means that instead of reacting to the scenario, the actor pulls out an emotional memory relevant to the scene and uses it to project the emotion. For example, if the scene needs the actor to weep for a loved one, then the actor will use the memory of a traumatic experience in the past. Okay, now what part of this says lock yourself in a room and never get out of character? But as Stanislavski rightfully said, create your own method, don't depend slavishly on mine. Make up something that will work for you, but keep breaking traditions, I beg you. So, everything an actor does is his or her personal choice. It is their own method. Doing all of this is not necessary to be a method actor, it is just the way they want to do it, and you don't have to do it to be a better actor. Because let's be real here, locking yourself up or shaving your eyebrows would not magically make you a better actor. Being good at acting will make you a better actor. To the general public, method acting means going to extreme, often absurd or unhealthy lengths in order to evoke some sort of character state. For example, actually going without sleep for 5 nights because your character is supposed to be exhausted. So, am I saying that method acting is bad? Absolutely not. But you should understand how far you should take it and where to draw the line. Method acting can lead you to some very strange and sometimes dark behaviors and thought patterns. It can also be physically destructive, especially when extreme weight loss is concerned. For example, Christian Bale in The Machinist, Amir Khan in Dangal, Ranveer Singh in Alauddin Khilji. I could patronize you at this point and say that sacrificing your health and well being is not worth it, but you're a grown adult and it's entirely up to you how much of yourself you give up to do a good job. In conclusion, although method acting may make you a little emotionally vulnerable, but still your mental and physical well being is totally dependent on the choices you make. And that was it for the video. If you liked it, leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below why you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.